Good morning. It is Tuesday morning, and we went to St. Anne yesterday to the countryside. And today we're going to the beach side to get some fish, and then we're actually gonna go to Doctor's Cave Beach and enjoy today and have fun and relax a little bit. So here we go. So we're in the car. It is 10:40 a.m. It's about to be 11 o'clock. It's super hot. I don't even know the temperature, but it feels like 100 degrees. And we're off to the road. And here's Taj. He's driving. Say hi.
Alright.
And Sariki's in the back. We're off. And we're off. The road is terrible. I don't know who did the spilling for also, but it's so raw. Look how you spill also.
We done
We make building blocks also.
it. Oh.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
Yeah.
Jamaica,
I
stop!
don't know what kind of building blocks they make, but I wouldn't buy it. I really think so. We are now parked and we are going into the beach. We had some Chinese food earlier, and now we're going to enjoy this. So, Taj and I are walking to Doctor's Cave before he's rich. Didn't you say you're gonna vlog? You're gonna document. So we're documenting jet ski before he's rich, a millionaire in Jamaica. Okay. I was here first and last. And last.
Money right now. You understand? So me have to just out right now and look out for you.
First and last. You know what that means? chair? Yeah, one. So this is the beach. How long? So here's the beach. It's so nice. Hello. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Look at the water.
Yeah, beach.
So we're at the beach enjoying ourselves. We're having pina colada and enjoying the refreshing air, the weather, the water, and Taj is watching football or soccer. Liverpool.
What name soccer?
It's called soccer in
It's
America.
called football.
Football, soccer. He's watching football, right? Football. And yeah, and we're going out on that glass bottom boat later today, this evening. And yeah, life is good in Jamaica. So good. Ariman. No problem, man.
This guy's room.
So now we're almost done with the beach and we're about to leave and go on the road. So we're back in the car. And I don't know what is happening.
me see why I come there earlier. In a Starbucks and I feel a bit of traffic on our phone.
What man do man?
I was
I feel care that? How comes? I wouldn't have to do AC now because it's kind of cold. It's kind of cool. Hey, bricks. So we just got some. I went to Progressive and I got some things. I got one frozen snapper for $1,200. That is ridiculous. And a little bit of things.
You did vlog while you're in a Progressive?
No.
You new to vlogging?
I'm not new. Some people don't vlog the in and outs.
No, but if I go talk about the fish, I get that. You show them vlogging on Progressive.
Where's what? Where is it? We didn't even open it yet. I'm at the earliest. So, back at my father's house, and it looks like he started a fire. Let me show you a fish I'm getting ready. Yeah, cook one them done. You say cook one them done from there. See fish, hold on there. See fish I take $1,200.
You want to fish? What name cook?
And a guy and I come from him.
So where you come from?
You can eat the city. Charles.
Buy crackers.
Which crackers? You love eat too much stuff crackers.
You steam with this.
Oh,
You steam crackers and fish it.
say you never tell me say you want crackers.
Then where you think he said I go steam the fish?
You tell me say you
When I
go.
go put the bread in there for steam?
We can't just eat it with the bread.
Okay.
They sell crackers on the road? They sell
Yeah,
crackers
man,
on
right
the
there.
road? You have money?
Go and buy crackers.
You buy crackers if you want.
Yeah.
And you have butter. You have butter.
Butter in a still and
Onion and tomato.
what is it? Okra. Steam one fish, yeah.
We are going there now, you know, Daddy. The armpit. Oh! There's a guy selling, look at this now. There's a guy selling bread here. You know, people actually use the highway. Yeah, it's open. Guys, my dad is gonna steam the fish with cinnamon crackers. Same fish not gonna taste like cinnamon. The fish are gonna taste weird.
No, they will cook steam fish with you all the way.
And it tastes alright to you? If we go down and progress, they have frozen fish and some shrimp and some in a fridge down there. No?
Okay, man. Good on you.
Aye. Next time we make that scare, go down and go back. Yes, I 2 bag of gr- Yeah, we want some. This is my dad's room.
Now, in addressing the need for a new body instead of transforming existing systems,
He started a fire, but he has a son-in-law who's a firefighter.
He has a fiancé.
A son-in-law, me say.
What is that?
1 cake.
No cake, son.
Yes, we love cake. My father go steam fish with cinnamon crackers.
Yeah, that people.
With cinnamon crackers?
When I buy steamed fish on the road, you get it with cinnamon crackers.
Really? Me never know.
Yeah, them steaming fish with the cinnamon crackers.
In
You
my-
go buy the crackers now? Alright, later.
says it. In my 32 years of life,
It will be live.
I never know. Suki, you knew?
Oh, my friend want me just ask me, I tell him say it tastes weird.
In our 32 years of life, we never knew
Take up the stuff like that.
you could steam snapper fish with cinnamon crackers. But Taj says that's normal. Call me.
Oh, now I got fish to someone.
Look at my dad on the street. Where are you going?
Aye.
I'm gonna go buy cinnamon crackers. You know something loose? We should just. I'm gonna ask him brother when he can't look funny. He must can't track it up and look funny.
I think maybe drive with safari like yesterday.
But you driving from Kingston?
Just look on your roof there. Look on the wall, the tree wall. Yeah, like
Alright.
I don't like that.
Safari, like in
Gonna country?
Body Road.
Yeah.
Kingston, I just told.
Yeah, it was a good minute on that road.
I don't know how they run taxi on the road.
So see where we are chill tonight.
Where are we chilling tonight? Remember I said we need to go get fish earlier morning. Taj, where can we chill tonight? Today's Tuesday.